大家好，我是 Martin, and this is a Phrase a Day English, brought to you by the Taichung Keda Language Center. Today's phrase is to paddle your own canoe. To paddle your own canoe. 独立自主. To paddle your own canoe means to act independently and autonomously. To do things on your own. To be your own boss. To be independent and not rely on other people. In case you were wondering, this is a canoe. It is a small boat used on lakes and rivers. So, paddle your own canoe. Do it by yourself. Now let's look at the example sentences. Let's begin with example sentence number 1. Number 1. I like to keep to myself and paddle my own canoe. Number 2. You don't need my help. Paddle your own canoe. Okay, so to paddle your own canoe. Be independent. Do it by yourself. In this sentence, I am the subject. I like to keep to myself and paddle my own canoe. Remember, the possessive in this phrase needs to match the subject. I think I've said that a million times by now. So I am the subject. I like to paddle my own canoe. In this sentence, you are the subject, so you must paddle your own canoe. Correct possessive. Okay, that's it for today, and I hope all of you are brave enough and strong enough to paddle your own canoes. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.